a Glock 22 RTF with a Wolf 9mm conversion barrel. It's a 40 caliber that I'm converting to 9mm. 17 rounds in a 9mm magazine, which is what Wolf tells you to do. Put that in there. I'll let you, as I'm shooting, you got a racket. Okay, I'm going to attempt to do a little bit of point of view shooting. My Glock 22 police trade-in with a 40 to 9mm barrel in it. I'm running a 40 caliber magazine, fully loaded, with 9mm ammo in it. These are Tragicon night sights that came with it. Okay, we're doing more testing with the 40 to 9 conversion barrel. We have a Glock 22 40 caliber RTF, a 9mm magazine with 17 rounds in it. We're shooting RWS 124 grain full metal jacket. This is no extractor change or anything, it's just a bone stock Glock 40 caliber. All we did was change the barrel and the magazine. There's kind of like an extractor mark right there.